about iOS news. Yes, like there is no innovation, right?
Can't innovate anymore, my ass.
So Apple will be announcing the beta 2 of iOS 15.2 on Tuesday. Hope so, fingers crossed. Like, come on, last week what happened? Listen, last week I prepared a preview video of iOS 15.2 beta 1, and guess what? Apple released the beta 1 on that same day when I almost uploaded and was working on the thumbnail of my preview video. Come on, Apple. New wallpapers. Yes, there is a good news. New wallpapers may be arriving real soon as on the beta 2 of iOS 15.2. New wallpapers will be arriving in the iOS 15.2. Now listen, this is not confirmed, alright? I'm not Apple insider, right? I just know that they are coming up, because if we will see the history of new wallpapers coming to iOS, last year too they released new wallpapers with the iOS 14.2. so hope so, fingers crossed. New wallpapers, please Apple, give me some new wallpapers. They have been really lazy in terms of adding new wallpapers to their devices. I really like how Apple keeps updating their wallpaper section in the Mac, and hope so they will do the same in the iOS in the near future. Fingers crossed again. Well, battery life is something that I really do not like on my iPhone 12. My iPhone 12, like it gets around 15% by the end of my day, and my day is about 3 hours or maybe 4.5 hours of screen on time. Pretty average for these days, right? 3-4 hours. Pretty much everyone have average of about 3-4 hours these days, and getting this device down to 15% is pretty bad actually. Also, not to forget, my battery health is at 89% already. And by the way, for your record, this thing is not even a year old. Talking about how it is going on the iOS 15.2 beta on other devices, my iPhone 7 is struggling, man. That thing gets real warm on the iOS 15.2 beta 1. The heating issue is back. Come on, just if you are thinking about installing a beta software on your iPhone 7, if it is your secondary device, all right, just don't even think about installing a beta software of iOS on your iPhone, such as the iPhone 6s, 7, or maybe even 8 to a certain degree. But just do not install it on your iPhone 7 at least, because I have installed it, and man, that thing gets real warm. Maybe it can be that it just gets really warm for me, and it's fine for you guys, because I have not seen a lot of people reporting this. But for me, my device gets really warm by doing like basic tasks. Even while doing basic tasks such as using Instagram, Twitter, doing all this thing, it gets really warm to a point where it is throttling. Come on, Apple, what are you doing? 8 Fusion is really capable chip in my opinion. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this quick episode. If you did find this video helpful, consider hitting that like button, subscribe to this channel for more, and I can't wait for Apple to add new wallpapers to iOS 15.2. Also, a channel update. I am working on a lot of things in my studio, right? You have probably noticed these box changes and all. Also, I have some new green screen stuff and orange backdrop and all those backdrop, and orange backdrop which looks really damn amazing, by the way. Let me show you. Oh my god, my light turned off, bro. Oh, my light turned off, I guess. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and I will meet you all in the very next episode.
All this